Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw work items from ClickUp with checklist export prevention, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ClickUp account. Locate the workspace containing the work items you want to withdraw. Navigate to the specific list where the work items are organized. Identify the tasks you wish to export from this list. To prevent exporting checklists, ensure you are only selecting the main task data. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the list view. Select the Export option from the drop-down menu. This will prompt a new window with different export formats. Choose your preferred format for exporting, such as CSV or PDF. Before proceeding, make sure to uncheck any options related to checklist items. Double-check the selected options to confirm that checklists will not be included. Once satisfied, click on the Export button. Your file will now begin to download to your device. Open the downloaded file to review the contents. You should see only the main tasks without any checklists included. If you need to make further adjustments, consider. This completes the process of withdrawing work items from ClickUp while preventing checklist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.